Introducing Gridpicker, the fastest, highest-throughput AI warehouse robot ever built. A next-generation grid-based fulfillment system powered by mobile AI manipulators. Gridpicker unlocks the full potential of your warehouse, delivering greater throughput than any fulfillment system, maximum storage density, and up to 95% labor savings with end-to-end automation of order picking, buffering, and sortation. Gridpicker was designed from day one for robotic picking. Each robot is equipped with multiple end effectors and an automatic tool exchanger to maximize robotic pickability across a wide range of SKUs. With over 1 billion picks completed in production, Brightpick has a powerful AI data advantage, which continuously improves pick success rates and further strengthens performance over time. Learn more about Gridpicker's story by watching the video linked in the end screen.